Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be looking for salamanders. Overall goal, 20 species of just all kind of wildlife. That's going to be our goal. But I'm here in the middle of Southwest Virginia, the salamander capital of the world. And yeah, let's get started. It's a rainy day. It just downpoured earlier this morning, and I figured that'd be perfect because them salamanders, they love the rain and they'll come out. And so I'm hoping we can find some good stuff. I've got my camera here, the Lumix G7 with a 14 to 42 lens and my 45 to 200 millimeter lens. So yeah, let's go searching. All right, let's go look for some critters. The stream runs right down through here. See what we can find. I hear a bird, and I've been looking for it. No idea where it's at. It's all good. Let's go check out the stream. Flip some rocks for some salamanders. How about that? There we go. I don't know if y'all saw that. Salamander just came right through here. There's a little guy. Nothing else here. Yeah, you see all these trees? They just came down from the storm this morning. That is wild. We got anything in this little bed? Beer bottle. That's awesome. You know, I should have brought a trash bag. I've found so much garbage. Absolutely horrible to see. I mean, it's not that hard to keep trash out of our environment. It's a cool little shot. Another cool little shot I want to try out here. Don't know what it looks like, but never hurts to take a picture. Can always delete it later if it's that bad. So cool little angle right here. I hear a bird, just can't see him. That's a cool little fun guy. Yeah, there's some good ones. Let's head down here. I don't know if my camera will pick up the birds. They're right up here. Right up here somewhere. Just can't see them. That's right. Let's check out in here. Lots of birds now. It's such a thick forest. I can't, it's so hard to see them. Still gotta watch out for these trees. We have a couple big gusts come through and I might be caught under one of these things. I think these flowers are pretty cool. There's a ton of them. Not sure what they are. I'll make sure to put everything I find, I'll throw up on the screen. Y'all about to witness I'm gonna die or not going down this. It's super slick. Uh-oh. All right, we're good. Almost there. We had a tire and a bag. Butterfly. Go see what's down this road. Another critter. I've never been down that way. Don't really feel like going. Let's just keep going down the main road. I can hear some running water down there. Don't know how the heck I'm gonna get there though. I can go this way. Maybe there's a path. Wow, that was not what I wanted. Ugh. There might be a little path down this way. Screw it, see what we can find. Oh, see where the land takes us. All right. Whew. Dang, guys. Well, I saw one salamander and it just flew off. Not flew off, took off. Didn't have time for a picture. So I know there's some around here. They can just be so hard to find sometimes. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, there's a good one. Did y'all see that? Oh. Wait for it to clear up. I hope y'all saw that. That was a good one. So I had lost my tripod. It was on the outside of my bag in my sleeve, and I found it. Had to walk way back, and there it is, hanging by the tree. What the heck? Let's not put it back in there, I guess. Well, it became pretty impassable. I think I'm gonna have to go back up on the road. Damn it. Excuse me, tree. Yeah. This isn't gonna be fun. See y'all when I get back up there. Having to crawl on my hands and knees to get through this. Ugh. Okay. Oh. Squeeze up through here. Okay. Whew. Getting there. This is fun. Whew. Doing some work down there. Jeez, I'm tired. Got a little butterfly flying around. Trying to get him to land so I can take his picture. There we go. You want to show me your wings? Oh, I'm sorry. Not sure how many critters that is. Walking down the road, gonna try and find a new spot. There's a bird. Looks like a goldfinch. Just saw a bird. Didn't know what it was. Ow. Alright, I don't know what this is. Never touching it again. And also, what is that? Ow. My other lens. I don't know if that's a tick. I'm about to find out what this plant is, and I'm literally never touching it again. Holy crap. It stings so bad. Oh my gosh, it's burning so bad. The hell is that? Oh, it's so itchy. Ow. What the heck is this? Oh, holy crap. Get me out of here. Gosh. Oh, it's so itchy. It stings really bad. go find some birds out here instead. The only reason I don't want to be out here right now is there's some yard workers and they're so loud. It's very annoying, but oh my gosh. Jeez. Let's go see if we can find that goldfinch. Those are one of my favorites around here anyways. I think they're so cool. Yeah, I'm gonna go as far away as I can from them. I'm gonna just set up at this picnic table. Just sit here, maybe one will come by. We'll see. Yeah, look what it did to my leg. Oh, it stings. Well, I've been here a while. Hasn't came around. I hear some birds tweeting. No idea where they're at though. We're gonna walk on this way. Yeah, we got some things on the road. There's a goldfinch. You don't have a great angle of them. Please don't fly away. Good looking bird. Leave them alone. See what else we can go find. Not sure how many critters that is. If I had to guess, maybe like 11, maybe. I'm not even really sure. Don't know if we'll hit that 20 mark. I'm gonna need to get a lot more birds. And I hear them. I'm just not able to find any of them. At least I found that goldfinch. That one was good. They're so pretty. But we're gonna keep walking and we'll see. Wow. Look at all that trash. It really sucks to see. I don't know what's down here either. Ooh. Dead animal. No idea what that is. That thing's pretty cool. I don't know. Don't know if I'll find much in here. I'm not sure if it's even worth it to go up. I hear a bird trying to find it. I mean, it could be anywhere. I'm gonna keep going down the road. Butterfly, you wanna land for me? Take your picture. You wanna land? Open your wings for me? No, is it hot? Oh, so pretty. So pretty. Let's keep it moving. I'm hearing a bunch of birds. I cannot for the life of me find them though. It's all good. Dang, did y'all see that cardinal? Just flew right in front of me. No idea where he went. There's something. There's a squirrel. I'm hearing a whole lot of stuff back here, so I'm gonna see if we can find it. Yep. Nope. Damn it. Yep, I got him. Got eyes on the target. Might be a mockingbird. Kind of what I'm looking at here. No, 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 no. Okay, we're good. Trying to make as little noise as I can. I'm not sure what that is. I gotta bring up my ISO. It's way too dark in here. I'm not sure what that is. Took off. Let's go see if we can chase him. Alright. I got him. We'll leave him alone. See if we can find that cardinal. Another bird on target. I think it's a woodpecker. Damn it. No, he's still there. You move. I got him. Don't know how good that's gonna be though. Lighting was horrible. He's straight above me. Just saw a big bird. I don't know what it was. Oh, I hope it didn't fly away. Might have been a woodpecker. I don't know, this thing was big. There it is. Oh my God. Damn it, where did it go? I've seen lots of deer poop, so we might come across some deer. I swear I just heard an owl. I don't know. All I can really hear is that dang crow. Here we go. Oh, gosh. Let me sit on this log.